In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map fields in Zapier Actions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull data from your trigger into your action fields, so your emails, messages, or records are filled out automatically and accurately. First, make sure your trigger is already tested and returning sample data. That way, Zapier has something to show you as you map. Then open your action step, the part often labeled Do This, and go to the Action or Setup tab. This is where you'll define what gets sent, saved, or created using the information from earlier steps. Next, click directly inside any empty input field you want to populate, like to, subject, body, title, or description. As soon as your cursor is in the field, a dropdown called Insert Data appears. This is Zapier's shortcut drawer for bringing in information from previous steps without typing it manually. If you don't see it, make sure your cursor is active in the field and that your trigger has been tested with real sample values. Now choose the data you want. You'll see a list of data pills from earlier steps, labeled with the step number and field name, such as 1. Name, 1 email, or 1 summary. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top of the dropdown to quickly find a specific field. Click a pill to insert it into your field. It will appear as a small gray bubble with a label. That bubble is a placeholder. When your Zap runs, it pulls in the real value from the trigger, so each run can produce different personalized content. If you have multiple steps that provide similar fields, check the step number on the pill to ensure you're pulling data from the right place. You can also combine your own text with dynamic data to make messages feel natural. For example, type hello in a space, then insert the name pill. On send, this becomes hello John or hello Sarah, depending on who triggered the zap. You can add punctuation, line breaks, and other details around your mapped fields to create complete sentences, subject lines, or formatted bodies. Just be mindful of spacing. Add a space before or after a pill if you need one so words don't run together. That's all there is to mapping fields in Zapier Actions. Open the action step, click into a field to reveal insert data, choose the right data pills, and blend them with your own text for clear, personalized outputs. Once you've mapped everything, your Zap will handle the heavy lifting automatically.